Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in our previous video, we did how you will use your comments in Python. Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn about what is data type. Okay. So data type is what? Which type of data you want to store inside your variable. Okay. Suppose, for example, if anyone will enter the name or age or marks, okay. So suppose if you want to enter your name, so name means that is word, that is sequence of characters. So if you want to store the word or any sentence, so that thing you can store inside your string data type. Okay. If you want to store the number, so for the number we have an integer data type. If you want to store any decimal value, so for that we have a float data type. So like that we have a different type of data types. Okay. And how you will declare that, we will see with the help of example. So let's start. Suppose you want to take a name. Okay, so what you can do, you can just write name. So always you have to use your string data type inside your double quotes or single quotes. Okay, so name, suppose I want to write my name Shraddha. Okay, so if you will print directly name, so what will happen, you will get the name as a Shraddha. But if you want what is this data type, so simply you can write type. So by using type word, you will get which type of data type is this. Okay. So now if you will run, you will get class str, means this is the string data type. Now if you will print name, so you will get the name Shraddha. See, the data type is str and the name is the Shraddha. Okay. After that, if you want any integer number, like suppose a equals to 10, and you want to find out which type of data type this is, so you can just write print. Okay. Now you can just define type and what is your variable name, that is a. Now if you will run, you will get class is integer, means this data type belongs to the integer. What will happen if I will write just any point number, which is a decimal value? Now if you will run this, you will get the type is float. Okay, so after that, if you want to just print a, what will happen, you will get your value. Okay, so in this way you can define any value, and if you want to find out which type of that value, so you need to just use your type keyword. So this type is your keyword. By using this keyword, you will get which type of data type you created. Okay, so in this way you can find out what is your data type. Okay, and how you will declare that data type. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.